In today's video, I want to demonstrate how to solve this linear programming problem using Excel solver. First, let's identify the decision variables in this problem. X demonstrate the number of A's units and Y represent the number of X low units. These two yellow cells are the changing variable cells because solver will determine their optimal values. Our objective is to maximize this function, which is C is equal to AX plus 12Y. So first of all, we're gonna represent the value of C with X and Y, which is 8 times the value of X is the H7 plus 12 times the value of Y is this one, J7. And then we also have some, as our objective is to maximize the function Z, and we also have some constraints. The first constraint is 40x plus 80y smaller than 56. So we import 56 in this block. And then what we have is the 40 times value of x plus 80 times value of y. And for the second constraint, it should be the same, 6 times value of x plus 8 times value of y. Okay, now all of our functions already set up. We can use the solver to calculate the optimal values of x and y, also C. We can find that under data, and the solver is here. First, we need to set objective. So as we want to maximize the value of C, we're gonna select this one. And our constraint is the value of 40x plus 80y smaller than 56. So we're gonna select this one, which is the G10. And for the another constraint is the G11 is smaller than 72, which is the I11. Then we can click solver and select keep the solver solution. And then we get our optimal number of x, y, and z. For the second question, we basically do the same thing. First, we look at what we're gonna maximize. Oh, here's minimize. What we're gonna minimize is 0.18x plus 0.12y. So first, let's set the value of z, gonna equal to 0.18 multiply x, which is the E10, and plus 0.212 times value of y, which is this one. And also we have some constraints. First is the 2 times value of x plus 6 times value of y. It's bigger than 30. Also we have 4 times value of x plus 2 times value of y. It's bigger than 20. Also, we have another constraint that y is bigger than 2. Okay, now we set up all of our constraint and objective functions. We need to use solver to calculate that. Our objective is still C, which is E11. And our first constraint is that our C12 is bigger than E12. our C30 is bigger than E13, our C14 is bigger than E14. Then we can click the solve and keep the solution. Then we get our minimum z, also optimal value of x, optimal value of y.